Welcome everyone. My name is Bilal and I'm with React, the organic chemistry board game. Today we're going to be talking about a reaction that's really common in organic chemistry courses, but also talked about in our game React. This reaction is called elimination, or E2 for short. Now in the E2 reaction, we have this molecule here, 2-bromobutane, reacting with this molecule here, butoxide, to make this molecule at the end 2-butene. Now, in our React game, each molecule is represented by their own cards. For example, 2-bromobutane here is represented as the 2-bromobutane card. You'll notice that each reaction, or each molecule card, has the name, the image, and then also the list of reactions it's involved in. As an example, 2-bromobutane is involved in the elimination E2 reaction and the SN2 reaction. In addition to listing which reaction the molecule is involved in, it also lists the other molecules needed to pair up with it and discover the reaction. In the case of E2, notice how there is a plus butoxide. That means that this molecule here, in conjunction with butoxide, are needed to discover and unlock the reaction E2 in our game. And we'll show you also the butoxide card. It also lists E2 as a reaction, and as you might expect, it lists 2-bromobutane as the reagent you need paired with it in order to discover E2. And each reaction is also listed as their own separate kind of card with a different color scheme and orientation to denote that it's a reaction and not a molecule itself. Now, once you've unlocked this reaction in our game, you can then convert a bromine to an alkane on your player board, and we're going to talk a little bit about the player board right now. So, in React, each player has their own player board, which is essentially their own personal molecule that they kind of mess around with and do reactions on. Now, let's say this is my player board, and I've already discovered the E2 reaction by using butoxide and 2-bromobutane. Once I've unlocked E2, I would erase this Br functional group here, and I would draw in my alkene here, my double bond here. This is very analogous to an organic chemistry test or class where you'd erase groups and draw groups in like that. We've just talked about the E2 reaction and how our game allows anyone, even beginners, to perform their own organic chemistry reactions. If you're more interested in the how or the why of this reaction, we encourage you to check out our educational manual in our game. Thanks, and see you next time. What the heck?